Sleep. Everybody knows it's important. We don't always get it, but we know we need it. Now, something else that we rarely ever take time for? Breakfast. So, we're gonna start off with le banane, the banana. Let's peel it. And then we're gonna take a fork, mash it up. What you wanna do is make sure you take the time to really make it smooth. You're gonna find the lumps in there, but you'll easily take those out once it gets all mashed together. Alright, when your bananas are all mashed, you can throw the fork away and add the eggs. Take your whisk, mix that all up. Alright, once that is done, you can take your flour, put a little in at a time. Can you see that? Isn't that beautiful?
It's very nice.
Thank you. And there you are, your batter. All right, so once you're finished, I just put it into the measuring cup to make it easier to pour. It's very simple. You're gonna put the stove on medium. You're gonna pour it out. Same principle applies when you start to see bubbles, and you know it's ready. There you have it. Yummy, scrummy, 3-ingredient pancakes. That's a real word. Scrummy is a real word in my head. It's a real word. See you guys next time on Edible Fitness.